Here are the top 10 stories in auto repair right now. Hi, I'm Braxton Critcher. Car owners and independent repair shops won big in Massachusetts. Judge Denise Casper dismissed a lawsuit from the Alliance of Automotive Innovation, allowing Massachusetts' right to repair laws to stand. The 2020 law requires automakers to provide vehicle owners and independent repair shops access to repair and diagnostic data, preventing dealerships from having exclusive control. Bill Hanvey, the president of the Auto Care Association, praised the ruling, calling it a win for transparency, affordability, and customer choice. He says it ensures fair competition, helping to lower repair costs. The judge's full decision remains under seal, but it's expected to be released soon. For now, the law remains in effect. Nissan appears to be stepping back from merger talks with Honda, putting their $60 billion deal in jeopardy. It appears that Nissan's board decided to scrap negotiations after Honda proposed making Nissan a subsidiary, an idea that Nissan firmly opposed as they want control. The merger would have created the world's third largest automaker, strengthening the companies against growing competition from China's EV manufacturers. Honda's market value is more than 5 times that of Nissan, and investors reacted sharply to the news. Nissan's shares have dropped over 4%, while Honda's stock has jumped more than 8%. Many experts believe without the merger, Nissan's future is in question with the falling shares. Both companies say they'll decide their next move by Friday, February 14th. The ASC Education Foundation is now accepting nominations for the 2025 Outstanding Instructor of the Year Award. This award recognizes exceptional high school and college instructors in ASC-accredited automotive, diesel, and collision repair programs. Administrators have until March 31st to nominate educators who go above and beyond in shaping the next generation of service professionals. The winner will receive a $1,000 award, a plaque, and an expenses-paid trip to industry events in St. Louis and Savannah. For more details, visit aseducationfoundation.org or touch the link in the show notes. General Motors has officially completed its acquisition of GM Cruise Holdings, making it a wholly owned subsidiary. Cruise will now collaborate with GM on autonomous vehicle technology and ADAS. GM plans to integrate Cruise technology into its Super Cruise system, which already allows hands-free driving on 750,000 miles of North American roads. With over 20 GM models featuring Super Cruise, drivers are logging more than 10,000 miles per month using it. Diagnostic toolmaker TopDawn has seen impressive and unprecedented growth recently, with a 258% sales increase from 2022 to 2024. They've recently expanded into new markets and launched new products, including a motorcycle diagnostic tool and advanced thermal imaging devices for HVAC, construction, and outdoor use, all contributing to this surge. TopDawn is also giving back, this year announcing they'll donate 5% of all U.S. online sales from November 29th to December 3rd to support those in need. They also continue to invest in the future, partnering with trade schools to support aspiring automotive technicians. North Carolina insurance companies are seeking a 22.6 statewide increase in auto insurance rates, with the proposed hike set to take effect on October 1st. The North Carolina Rate Bureau filed the request Monday with the Department of Insurance. State law gives Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey 60 days to review the proposal. If he disagrees, he can negotiate a settlement or call for a hearing. A similar request last year led to a much smaller, phased-in increase. Lucas Oil is tackling vehicle emissions with its latest product, Lucas Emissions Clear, a fuel and exhaust system cleaner designed to reduce harmful pollutants and improve catalytic converter performance. The one-tank treatment targets the entire fuel delivery system, removing deposits that contribute to excessive emissions. Independent testing shows that it can cut out emissions by up to 90%, including nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and greenhouse gases. Lucas Emissions Clear is compatible with all gasoline engines and can be used as part of routine maintenance or before emissions testing, helping vehicles meet strict environmental regulations and promoting cleaner air. The Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation is welcoming yet another new board member, David Boyenton, Vice President of Strategic Accounts at Advanced Auto Parts. 37 years in the industry, Boyenton says he's eager to give back and support the aftermarket community. Deadlines are quickly approaching for students hoping to apply for hundreds of scholarships through the Automotive Aftermarket Scholarship Central. With over $800,000 in awards available for the 2025 through 2026 academic year, students pursuing careers in automotive, heavy-duty, and collision repair, as well as engineering, business, IT, and cybersecurity, are encouraged to apply. Graduating seniors, college students, and past recipients have until March 31st, 2025 to submit their applications. One application qualifies students for multiple scholarships, FYI. Ram is recalling over 6,000 pickup trucks due to a defective airbag inflator that could pose a safety risk. The recall affects 2016 to 2019 Ram 1500 models and 2016 Ram 3500 cab chassis trucks, all equipped with curtain airbags from Joyson Safety Systems. The issue stems from the inflator stored in moisture-exposed conditions, leading to potential corrosion and rupture, similar to the Takata airbag recall. While no injuries have been reported, affected vehicle owners will receive letters between February the 13th and the 20th. Dealers have been notified, though replacement parts may be in limited supply. That wraps up this week's episode of Automotive Repair News Today, the podcast taking you around the automotive industry, giving you the top stories. If you know of news that needs to be shared, I want to know. Reach out to me at braxton@automotiverepairnews.com. And thanks for listening. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. It'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.